and we're checking in from Japan. Last minute of the Okazaki Fireworks in 2010. Please enjoy the view from the top of the nearby News. Hands down the best place to view this fireworks. And we're getting close to the finale. Enjoy. Parking lot, rooftop parking lot, filled with people. Some of them wearing yukatas. Here there's the sign of the shopping center. And there's stuff going on both sides actually. That's one. Wow, that's nice. Okay, there's break. Let's look for girls in yukatas. This is normally a rooftop parking lot of the supermarket, but they've opened it up for people this time. And this is the end. This is the end. Nope, there's still more on the other side.